Bay waters a light chop, becoming a light to moderate chop. Thursday, northeast to east winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters a light to moderate chop. Thursday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters a light to moderate chop. Friday, east to southeast winds near 10 knots. Bay waters a light chop. Friday night, southeast winds near 5 knots. Bay waters smooth. Saturday, southeast to south winds near 10 knots, becoming south to southwest. Bay waters a light chop. Isolated showers. Saturday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters a light to moderate chop. Scattered showers. Sunday, southwest winds near 15 knots. Bay waters a moderate chop. Numerous showers. Sunday night, northwest to north winds near 15 knots. Bay waters a moderate chop. Numerous showers. Monday, north winds near 10 knots. Bay waters a light chop. Isolated showers. Monday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters a light to moderate chop. This is the voice of the National Weather Service, station WNG663, courtesy of Florida Power and Light Company, transmitting from Princeton on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz, serving South Miami-Dade County and the Upper Keys, and originating from the National Weather Service on the main campus of Florida International University. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Miami-Dade County listening area tonight. Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. East wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the upper 70s. Southeast wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, partly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of showers 50%. Sunday, showers. Near steady temperature in the lower 70s. Chance of showers 90%. Sunday night, showers likely until midnight, then chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of showers 60%. Washington's birthday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Tuesday through Wednesday, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Sunrise and sunset information for Miami. Sunrise Wednesday, 6:57. Sunset Wednesday, 6:14. Sunrise Thursday, 6:57. Sunset Thursday, 6:14. The forecast ultraviolet index for Thursday is 7. This exposure level is in the high category. The next 4 tides at Turkey Point are low tide, Friday, 9:11 p.m. High tide, Thursday, 2:56 a.m. Low tide, Thursday, 9:34 a.m. High tide, Thursday, 3:10 p.m. These are the 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time conditions on Wednesday, February 14th. At Homestead Air Reserve Base, clear. Temperature 71 degrees, the dew point 59, and the relative humidity 66%. Wind east at 6 miles an hour. Pressure 30.11 inches and rising. At Miami, partly cloudy. Temperature 72 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 61%. Wind east at 8 miles an hour, gusting to 20. Pressure 30.13 inches and rising. At West Kendall, clear. Temperature 64 degrees. Wind east at 6 miles an hour. At Fort Lauderdale, partly cloudy. Temperature 70 degrees. Wind east at 12 miles an hour. At Marathon. At Key West, fair. Temperature 67 degrees. Wind north at 5 miles an hour. Some observations around the state. At Naples, partly cloudy. Temperature 67 degrees. Wind northeast at 8 miles an hour. At Fort Myers, cloudy. Temperature 68 degrees. Wind east at 10 miles an hour. At Orlando, clear. Temperature 58 degrees. Wind northeast at 8 miles an hour. At Tampa, clear. Temperature 59 degrees. Wind north at 5 miles an hour. At Jacksonville, mostly cloudy. Temperature 48 degrees. Wind calm. At Tallahassee, partly cloudy. Temperature 49 degrees. Wind calm. Marine observations. Long Key recorded east wind at 15 knots. Air temperature was 72 degrees. Here is the hazardous weather outlook for Atlantic coastal waters, southeast Florida, southern Florida, southwest Florida and Gulf of Mexico. For tonight, rip currents. There is a high risk of rip currents for the Atlantic coast beaches. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The elevated rip current risk will continue for the Atlantic coast beaches through at least Friday as a moderate onshore flow persists. Rip current risks will increase along the Gulf Coast on Sunday as a low-pressure system moves across the area. Widespread rainfall is expected on Sunday as a low-pressure system passes through the area. Localized flooding may be possible in low-lying or flood-prone areas. A few thunderstorms may also be possible. Hazardous marine conditions will be possible over all local waters Sunday into early next week as a low-pressure system moves across the area. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is a rip current hazard message. High rip current risk in effect from 7 p.m. this evening through Thursday evening. Dangerous rip current expected. The areas affected include coastal Palm Beach County, coastal Broward County, and coastal Miami-Dade County. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 p.m. this evening through Thursday evening. Impacts. Rip currents can sweep even the best swimmers away from shore into deeper water. Swim near a lifeguard. If caught in a rip current, relax and float. Don't swim against the current. If able, swim in a direction following the shoreline. If unable to escape, face the shore and call or wave for help. The marine forecast. For the following marine locations, coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida extending from 20 nautical miles to the territorial waters of Bahamas. Issued at 10:01 p.m. Small craft should exercise caution.